everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this simple, easy dish scrubby that is a bestseller at craft shows and also just very simple and easy to make. This is a double-sided one, which I think are best and also have the least amount of tails to weave in. So to get started, you're going to need a size K 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. You're also going to need some tulle, and you can get this at any craft store that also sells fabric. And there'll be a section for tulle, and you're looking for a medium sized holes there. Some are really fine and really soft to the touch, and that's not exactly what you want for a dish scrubby. I prefer to get the kind that's just a little bit thicker, a little bit rougher, and I think it makes for a more durable dishcloth. So you can get that in any amount that you need. I got some tulle today, 3 yards is what I did, and then we're going to cut them into 2-inch strips. And for this, you're really just going to fold up the tulle. You can fold it over on itself, and if you have some really sharp scissors, that is ideal. And you're going to want to cut each strip 2 inches. You're going to want a 2-inch thickness for your width, and you're just going to cut in strips. You can use the rotary tool, or if you just have some sharp scissors, that'll be just fine. And you will be left with some strips like this. And we're just going to take one to begin, and we will add more to it as we go. Okay, so to begin, we are going to chain 4. Okay, so now we're going to single crochet 6 single crochets into our end stitch. So the first chain that you made, we're going to work right into the end there and single crochet 6. Okay, and now we're going to slip stitch to join. And chain 1, and we're going to be working 2 single crochet into each stitch around. And slip stitch to join, chain 1, and for this round we're going to do 2 single crochet into the first stitch and single crochet into the next, 2 single crochet into the next stitch and single crochet into the next. And we're just going to work in this way all the way around for this round. And so now I've reached kind of the tail end of my strip here, and I'm going to add a new one. So I'm going to find the end there. Okay, and about a few inches in, I'm just going to slip it on to continue working with it. And don't worry about these tails. We're going to keep going, and I'll show you that we'll be tucking those in when we work on the back side. So go ahead and keep doing your 2 single crochet and single crochet and repeat that around, and I will meet you right back. Okay, so we're going to slip stitch to join, chain 1, and now we're just going to single crochet into each stitch around. Now we're going to slip stitch to join, chain 1, and now we're going to single crochet 2 together and then single crochet. Single crochet 2 together and single crochet. And we're going to work in this way all the way around for this round. Single crochet 2 together and single crochet. So this is decreasing our scrubby, so we're just starting to work on the back side of it now. And we're going to slip stitch to join. And now we're going to flip our scrubby inside out, or right side out, I should say. And we're going to, you can just tuck your ends down into the middle. Okay, and chain 1. And now we're going to single crochet 2 together all the way around for this round. So 2 together, and this is decreasing this, so we're going to be closing down our circle here and just sticking those ends into the middle. Single crochet 2 together, for the entire round. And now we're going to slip stitch to join, chain 1, and we're just going to single crochet 2 together 3 times. Okay, and you can slip stitch to join, and that will have all of our ends there on the inside, except we just have one end, and I'm just going to cut it so I have a little bit to work with when I weave it in. Okay, we can fasten that off and use your blunt needle. And we're just going to weave in and out through these larger holes and just give it a nice tug. We're going to do that 3 or 4 times. Okay, and then fasten that off. And there we have it. It's double-sided. All of our ends are nice and secure in there, and you have a cute little durable dish scrubby. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns. I will have this pattern on my blog, and that is posted in the description with the link to the written pattern. Happy crocheting!